Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Minafiah with student number 006 from class G. And today I will presenting my individual assignment summarizing previous studies on ESP need analysis. And the first from the research is from Lamia El-Mekta 2022, and the study focused on finding out the English needs of ESP master students at a food technology institute by gathering information from 12 past students and 10 teachers. The research discovered that the students' main problems with English were understanding complicated scientific texts, knowing enough technical words, and struggling with both writing and speaking in academic settings. While students generally liked the older ESP course, they consistently felt that they did not have enough time allocated for it in their schedule. To truly master the skills, the teachers confirmed that technical vocabulary and all 4 language skills include reading, writing, listening, and speaking were important for the students' careers. Based on these findings, the study suggested designing a new course that gives students much more time and practice, especially for speaking, writing, and using English in scientific and professional situations. And the second is from Medenit Village 2020. This research aimed to understand which English skills were needed most for work among staff in the Ethiopian textile industry. They used large surveys and detailed interview with 156 staff members to gather comprehensive data. The results clearly showed that textile staff use English very often for essential tasks like talking to colleagues, writing company reports, and managing communication with international contacts suppliers. The 3 most used skills in their daily work were speaking, writing, and reading. Specifically, workers reported common difficulties when reading complex machine manuals, writing official company reports, and sending professional email to international suppliers. Therefore, the study strongly recommended creating a specialist English class for these textile workers that focus heavily on improving speaking skills and teaching the specific language used in the textile industry. Number 3 is from Alfian Azaryamin 2021. The study surveyed 27 hotel staff in the Bandung area to figure out exactly what kind of English they needed for their hospitality jobs. What parts of English were hardest for them and which skills were most important for success? The analysis revealed that an overwhelming 80% of the staff believed English was absolutely essential for them to do their job correctly. Speaking was identified as the single most critical skills which they needed, especially for telling guests about hotel facilities and handling guest complaints or unexpected problems. The staff reported that their biggest difficulties included not having a large enough vocabulary, feeling anxious or nervous when speaking with guests, and struggling to understand the many different foreign accents they encountered daily. And number 4 is ESP course designed for Indonesian hotel industry from Yuyutri Kuntoro 2021. Researchers conducted interview with 5 hotel staff and managers in Malang to design the most suitable English training course for the local hotel industry. The staff pointed out that their main weaknesses were in speaking, particularly having trouble answering unexpected questions from guests, and listening, where they often failed to understand certain foreign accents. They confirmed that using English was a mandatory part of their main job duties, such as handling guest check-in and check-out procedures. A strong desire among the staff was to improve their pronunciation so they could sound more professional and clearer to their guests. And the final suggested English course structure was one that would be held weekly, offer flexible scheduling, and have a major focus on strengthening both speaking and listening comprehension skills. And number 5 is need analysis of English for specific purpose at Food and Beverage Emersia Hotel Bandar Lampung from Fajriyanti Karobi, Yuli Endra Teresia, Fuli Ayu Kartika Puspa, and 2020. This research specifically targeted the English needs of the Food and Beverage or V&B division by interviewing 5 senior V&B staff members. The staff were in full agreement that the 2 most crucial skills for their work were speaking and listening. They explained that they use speaking for almost all daily tasks, including greeting customers, explaining menu items, taking food and drink orders correctly, and managing the bill and payment process. Their challenge mainly involved having to deal with the wide variety of customer accents and having a very limited vocabulary for describing food and service. Because these communication issues directly affect customer service quality, the V&B staff clearly requested English training that focused on improving their practical speaking and listening abilities. And number 6 is need analysis in English for specific purpose or ESP for nursing students. This comprehensive study used a survey to collect opinions from 36 nursing students, their teachers, and other key medical professionals about the necessary English skills for future nurses. The findings indicated that the nursing students were generally best at reading compared to the other skills, but their overall English ability was only about average. The most vital English tasks identified for professional nurses were being able to read and follow work schedules, fully understanding English instructions for medical equipment, and writing professional reports about uh, patients. The study concluded that the future learning materials for the students should prioritize this key workplace reading and writing tasks required specifically the nursing professions. And number 7 is ASP needs analysis for marketing students in an Indonesian vocational schools, insight from strategy analysis. This research used a survey format to assess the learning needs, preferred learning styles, and most important skill for 50 marketing students at vocational schools. Students showed a strong preference for learning activities that involved lots of talking and were directly connected to their future jobs, such as managing marketing campaigns. They were highly motivated uh, when they worked in groups rather than individually. Surprisingly, reading was the skill that students considered the most important for their professional field. Ultimately, the students expressed that their motivation to learn English came from the practical goal of being able to communicate professionally and securing a good job after graduation. And number 8 is a need analysis of ESP for physical education students in Indonesia from Budi Eko Pranoto and Suprayogi 2020. The study conducted survey of 50 students and 10 teachers to evaluate the English proficiency and physical education students and determine which ESP topics they most needed to learn. The survey results showed that students' current English ability was generally quite weak, with particular problems in the productive skills of speaking and listening comprehensions. And the most necessary course topics for their careers were identified as English for sports, journalism, and specialist language required for jobs like an international coach or referee. Consequently, the students' main recommendation was to focus on ESP course heavily on improving students' practical speaking and writing skills to prepare them for necessary international communication in sport world. And number 9 is a need analysis approach to ASP design in Indian context. This detailed survey as 48 architecture students and 72 architects graduated in Iran about their current English needs and whether they found their existing ESP classes helpful. The research concluded that the reading was the most essential skills for architecture professional, followed in order by writing, speaking, and then listening. A very significant finding was that the students and graduates surveyed were strongly dissatisfied with the quality of the teaching materials currently used and felt that the course duration was far too short to learn anything meaningful, and this negative feedback clearly indicated that the exciting ASP course structure and the materials provided needed to be completely updated and changed. And the last is principles and practice of ASP course design, a case study of a University of Science and Technology. This quantitative study surveyed 257 students from University Science and Technology to find out which specific English skills they believe they will need most for their future jobs and would need most for professional careers. And the results is demonstrated that a large majority, about 80% of students, feel that learning English for a specific purpose or ESP would be very useful for their future works, and listening skill was ranked as the most needed ability overall, and students also considered writing to be highly valuable for their professional duties later on. And the study further observed a connection between a student's general English proficiency and their desire to learn, noting that students who were already better at English were often more motivated to continue learning ESP. I think that's all from my presentations. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.